Hello traders, welcome to the midweek market update. Today 8th January, Nifty ends today at 23,674 and Banknifty at 49,836. So in this video, along with the analysis for the next couple of days, I'll be sharing my trading entries in Nifty and Banknifty. So I believe by including the entries and you can combine both analysis and how to use analysis for taking the entries. So during this fast decline, okay, when the Nifty was trading around 23,630, I shared this. Today's low was 23,551, not closed below 23,560. I said on particular day, during this fall, 23,560 should be protected. So the low for that day was 23,551. So either correction is completed or one more low. Okay. Either correction itself completed here or one more low can be possible. For that, we need to see the bounce or consolidation next. The price bounced. If bounce comes, need to see the price reaction around 23,780 and we can decide next. Because as I said here, we don't know either correction has been completed or one more low is possible. Okay. So for that, we need to see 23,780. This is the 23,780 levels. Okay. And the price bounced and the high was 23,795. Our expected level was 23,780. So when this spot reached around 23,780, this is the January future Nifty, right? As I said, I don't trade in options. So this is the area, 7th January, and price was 23,854. When the spot reached 23,780, the future price was around 23,850 and I took a short position here. You can see here on 7th January, 23,854. So this is the area. So this is how we need to combine our analysis with the trading. Okay. And I don't know whether one more low is open or not at that point of time. What I know, this is the resistance. That's all I know. So resistance, I took a short position and I will see how the price reacts. This is how I trade. And as expected, the price immediately came lower and I expected the price to come low like this here itself. Okay, but the price bounced again but not crossed this high and went sideways. So this is how I got slight confused that if there is a possibility of still one more high. Okay, so I exit the position at the end of the day on 7th Jan, end of the day in minor profit. I exit the position. That's why I shared this one, 23,691, expected 23,780 as resistance, and today's high was 23,795. If price takes support here and moves higher, the resistance level can be around 23,830. The price first need to take support in the channel for this 23,830. See, I tried to give as much as information possible in the particular post itself. So the price needs to take support first. That's the idea. Because I said the reason also, the price already reaches the resistance of 23,780 today. Okay. This is the approach I had during yesterday and also today. Today, the price, let me move to the 15 minutes. This is what the channel I posted in my post. Okay. The price wants to move higher. The price needs to take support here. That's what I mentioned. But the price came below the channel with a good closing below the channel. So I took a short position again here. Okay. And I exit the position here itself. Okay. I don't wait for the exact low. That's the difference. See, analysis, you can expect the exact levels, but for trading, you cannot expect the exact levels. You should get out or get in a particular zone. Okay, that's the practical advice. This is the trade I took Nifty as per my analysis only. So what we can expect next? See, I mark this count as not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then ABC and one more bigger correction can come. As of now, I'm marking it as a completion of correction. So for that, I mark it as A, B, C. In that C, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the price needs to move higher, and I believe the price may still move higher in coming days. Let me move to even smaller time frame. See, this is 5 minutes chart, and I could see a triangle formation now. Okay, again the price needs to take support or break out above this triangle for one more high. Okay, one more high to the target of 23,752, 23,790. These are approximate levels, and I think after that the price may pull back and start moving higher. So this is the expectation as of now. Okay, this is the update for Nifty. So the price needs to take support within this triangle and moves above this previous high for the target of 23,750 to 23,790. These levels are important, and the price may give a pullback, either 1, 2, 3 or ABC may go. So we can expect a pullback and one more rise. So this is the analysis for Nifty. And in Bank Nifty, see, this is very important chart I shared a couple of days back. The price at important support or near support, and this zone should be protected for all-time highs. Okay, the Bank Nifty at very important support, it needs to be protected, or else the impulse move or the bullish view may get negated. So the Bank Nifty at very important support levels. Primarily a bounce or consolidation is expected tomorrow. Okay, this I shared on. Okay, this time 6th January, I think. Let me see. Yes, 6th January. Okay, this is the broader structure. I will come to this chart later. So I expected a bounce because many I have received messages that the price will break down below these levels, but I expected a support and a bounce. Primarily a bounce or consolidation expected tomorrow, and one more low may come between 49,650 to 49,500. Believe me, these are the levels which I not said on 6th January. I said multiple times in our previous month video also. Let me explain that also. So this is the expectation 49,650 to 49,500. This is the level we are discussing from October. Fine. And let me explain this chart. So price at very crucial support of this channel, and these are the levels I am expecting from October, November. See, many are not understanding the power of Elliottwaves. See, if you are my Elliottwave learner, okay, already I posted a separate video in the real-time analysis. Even one point can change the trend. Revise it multiple times, that is very important. And all this low, okay, why I expected below 49,000, the only reason is this wick point. Okay, this wick is the reason for this low. Okay, this is the point where I expected the price should come one more low below this point. I have said multiple times, I hope you remember. And when the price comes lower, I expected the price to come here itself. Okay, during this time itself, November itself, I expected the price to come below this 49,600, below 49,600 to complete the correction. But surprisingly, the price not came below this point with a slight difference. See, very slight difference, the price moved higher. I still remember I said that the price not made a new low here, so there is a possibility of the price may take any other shape and come back one more lower. But at the same time, if this is a bullish case, it can be a running flat. So this low cannot come below this point and may move higher. For identifying that, I mark these two levels. Okay, if you remember my videos, all these are explained well ahead of time. And why I'm repeating here, Elliottwave is the most advanced and wonderful tool to predict the market price action. I bet no other analysis can predict like this. See, this level we expecting here itself. Okay, this is uncommon pattern. Even though we expected the price to come lower, and I still remember this is important price. I don't want to show the clip because many times I shared in the YouTube. If needed, let me share in your comments. I will post in next video. So this is the important level. I said the price may reject and the price may give a pullback or full retracement we need to see. These are things already we discussed. And during here also I said one thing like this is very difficult to analysis because in a bearish setup, I am saying some bullish count. This is the exact line I said in a couple of videos before. So why I'm saying all this? So even though we predicted everything right, but due to that emotions, I went wrong here. Okay, that's normal, and there is nothing wrong or mistakes in markets. Everything are learning. So at the end, the price made below 49,500, which was expected because of this reason. And my learners listen to that video multiple times. That give a great advantage for you. Okay, let me come to the Bank Nifty analysis. I move to the hourly chart, and you can see what I expected, a bounce and a decline below 49,650 to 49,500, right? 49,650 to 49,500, and today's low was below 49,500 but not even closed below that level. Okay, you can see the price went below 49,500. I think low was 49,394, 100 points below our range, but got a good support and bounced back above 49,500, and the price reached around almost 50,000, 49,965 approximately. This is the level of analysis we can expect from Elliott waves. And see, all these levels already mentioned, 49,300, 49,868. If these levels are not support, yes, these are open. But currently, I think price got important support. In Nifty also, I think the price may continue somewhat higher, and Bank Nifty also, I think the price may start moving higher. And so by seeing this, when the price reached 49,500, which is level I said, okay, 49,500, when the price, spot price reaches 49,500, I gave an entry, Bank Nifty January futures around 49,769, that is here. Okay, see, in analysis we can expect exact levels. By practice you can get that, but for trading I have a lot of experience at waiting for the exact point. I missed many trades. So usually when the price reaches that zone, I will start giving a entry. So this is what I do, and you can see where I get an entry in Bank Nifty 49,769. Okay, 49,769 buy. It went slightly lower and moved higher, and you can clearly see 1 2 3 4 5 structure here. And see, why I'm not sharing all these things, because when the price changes its character in real time, I will change the trading stop loss or target, whatever, to my understanding about the price, that I cannot communicate to everyone. Okay, that's why I'm not sharing all these things. If you really like to show the entries also, you can comment so that I try to show the entries also in upcoming videos, so that you can learn both analysis and trading. Okay, so as like Nifty, what we can expect in Bank Nifty, yes, the price needs to move above this point, okay, for confirmation. But obviously Nifty also crossed important line, so it should move higher, and Bank Nifty also may continue to move higher after a small dip or something. The same like Nifty, a high, a pullback, and start moving higher. So that's the expectation. If you see in detail, there's an important a pattern in Bank Nifty, a kind of ending diagonal. So this is the pattern we need to watch now. So the price needs to break out and move above this point for 51,600. Okay. These are the expectations in coming days. An ending diagonal formation in Bank Nifty to confirm the price needs to come out of this range, and this line also should be crossed 50,450 approximately. So eventually the Bank Nifty also may attempt to reach above 51,650 in coming days. So this is the expectation for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow and Friday. So as I said before, understanding the market is very important. When you understand the market, then only you can take advantage by taking a trading position. So to understand the market, there are other technical analysis. Yes, every analysis will work, but according to me, Elliottwave is the best tool to forecast the future price action. If you wish to learn the Elliottwaves in the most practical way, you can register my course. I give all the details in the description. All the levels and opinions shared here are only for learning the wave theory, and please don't take it as any sort of recommendations. Trade safe. Capital protection is important. We'll meet you in the weekend market update. Take care.